Today we're going to talk about how to join a Zoom meeting for BAC Local 1. The first thing you want to do is open a new tab in the browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome, but you could use Safari or whatever other browser you're familiar with, like Internet Explorer or Firefox. Go to the search bar and type zoom.us and hit enter. This will bring up the Zoom web page. Feel free to accept the cookies if the pop-up shows up at the bottom. From there, you want to go to Join a Meeting. It will ask you for a meeting ID or personal link name, which can be found on the BAC website. Type in baclocal1.org to bring up the BAC homepage. From there, go to About, News, and scroll down to find the newest local meeting update. Clicking on this local meeting update will give you all the information you need for Zoom, including the meeting ID and password. The meeting ID can be copied and pasted by clicking, holding, and dragging your cursor along the meeting ID number. You can also write it down and type it into the box separately. Go back to the Zoom web page and type your meeting ID or copy and paste it into the box and hit Join. This will bring up a separate page with a pop-up box. If you don't have Zoom installed on your computer, click Download Now. We'll go through how to download Zoom at the end of this video. If you do already have Zoom downloaded, you're going to want to click the button that says Open Zoom.us. This will open Zoom on your computer and ask for a meeting passcode. The meeting passcode can be found back on the BAC website where we got the meeting ID. Again, you can copy and paste this, or simply type the numbers into the meeting passcode box. By clicking Join to join the meeting on the correct day and time, an employee of BAC Local 1 will ensure that you are a member in good standing and allowed to participate in the meeting. Congrats! You've now joined your local chapter meeting. If you do not have Zoom downloaded, close the dialog box that pops up and instead click on the blue text that says Download Now. This will download the Zoom installer to your computer. Click on the download and it will open this dialog box for installing Zoom. Click Continue and it will ask where the Zoom software should be installed. Generally, the default is the best place to install the software, so all you have to do is click Install. After clicking Install, it will often prompt you for your password. Click Use Password. Type the password you use to log on to your computer or to give access to new applications. From there, click Install Software, and Zoom will be installed right onto your computer. To download Zoom on your phone, open up the App Store. In the bottom right, go to Search, and in the search bar, type in Zoom. You'll want to download the one that says Zoom Cloud Meetings. Click Get or Download and follow the prompts on your phone. Once Zoom has been installed, click Open to open the application, and then click Join a Meeting. The meeting ID will be the same as the meeting ID on your computer. Then click Join to join the chapter meeting. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We hope you like our video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share our channel with all your friends.